We are here at Nyavini Clinic. This is one of the clinics that we decided to build 2 years ago, and sod turning was conducted in May 2024, and we are here to conduct our Siyahlola project or program to see how far the project itself is. We are very excited to see that the clinic and the building of the clinic is at 80% so far, and we will be opening the clinic in the next 6 to 7 months. That is something that is very exciting for the Department of Health, but mostly exciting for the community itself, because this is a clinic that they've been waiting for more than 15 years. So it is quite exciting to see the clinic being at this level and to fulfill a promise that was made a long time ago to our communities, to say in this area, considering how far it is to the nearest clinic and the nearest hospital, eventually they are going to get their own clinics. And the fact that we are at 80% is proof that when we make a commitment, we do keep that commitment.